This is the third stop of our 15-day Oregon Coast road trip. We've been to Astoria, Cannon Beach, and now here we are at the Tillamook Barview Jetty Campgrounds.
Hi, Daddy. Uh-oh, we losing.
No, we can still beat him. We can still beat him.
Don't worry, no challenge.
This is Barview Jetty Beach, a short walk from our RV site. We loved this beach. It was full of life, there was tons of sea creatures on the shore, and the sunsets were amazing. Ooh, we're starting a fire.
A tiny, see?
I think it's starting now.
Yeah, I think so. Wow! Is he gonna go above us? Wow! It's like the coolest thing in the world. I've never seen anything like it.
Ah, pretty though. Oh, look.
What is it?
It's a sand turtle.
Oh, it is a sand turtle. Oh my goodness, there's a sand turtle here.
Are you serious? The jellyfish.
Is that a jellyfish?
Oh, Mama.
It's a fish. A bird must have bit this fish just now. What are you looking for?
I got it. No, I got it.
There's so many of these little sea crickets, or whatever they're called.
They'll call it that. I have to get one.
Go get one. There's so many.
It's so,
See them jumping?
it's so fast.
I know, it's too hard to get. The beach is covered with these little jumping sea creatures. We have no idea what they are, but they kind of look like a potato bug that jumps. Or maybe like a potato bug mixed with a lobster or shrimp that jumps a lot.
A baby's jump.
They're really...
A baby's jump high.
Yeah, the babies jump high. Want to see what they look like? Wow, check this out. It's so nice.
A big one is moving a little bit.
Yeah. You want to show Daddy now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show Daddy. Let's go cook some hot dogs.
How to get it? How to carry it though?
I'm going to carry it.
You're gonna carry it?
Yes.
Like this?
Just like that.
Hey, my son. You wanna wipe that on Daddy's pants? Daddy's pants. Go. Show me your hot dog eating face.
Cut stuff on the hand too.
Oh. one more.
I see a glistening lighthouse. I see a lighthouse. I see a flag.
Yes, I see it. It's blinking. It's blinking, huh?
It's a lighthouse.
Yeah. Look, watch. Brody, look. Whoa!
Sit back. Don't change the Oh, you're right. You're so quick. Go for it. Oh, let's get it.
Okay guys, let's go. It's so dark already. Hey, so if you guys want to know how I do my makeup, please let me know in the comments below. So there's some fun things to do in the area. There's a couple of cheese factories. One is the famous Tillamook Cheese Creamery. You could go crabbing, fishing, and even 1 hour up the road is Cannon Beach and Seaside. We're here at the Blue Heron French Cheese Factory. They have a petting zoo. It's in Tillamook. Here's my little birdie. Wow, beautiful big chickens in here. And a peacock, white peacock. Amelie, what do you have there? Ooh. Good. Buddy. I know, it's a little bit hard to see.
They like to. They like to.
Hey, mister, are you hungry? Okay, here you go. Oh no! Oh no! Sorry. Oh, these are cute.
A baby one.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh wow, it's a big ram. Huh?
Oh, you see the pig on the ground?
Hello. Oh, look at that pig. He's so cute. You can't see his eyes. What is this place called? We've been here before last year and we really like the fish and chips. I forgot what it's called, but it has really good reviews. Oh, okay, it's called Belle Bouille. Fancy. Oh, no, never mind. That's just the crab. Ooh, we're at the Tillamook Creamery in Tillamook, Oregon. What's your baby calf's name? Is it Brody's turn? You can do it. Good job, buddy. Interesting, huh? Those are all big pieces of cheese, Brody. We highly recommend this place, especially if you have kids. It's a fun educational experience for them, and then you can stock up on your Tillamook cheese products, have a grilled cheese sandwich, and maybe even some Tillamook ice cream.
Okay, so that was days 5, 6, and 7 of our 15-day road trip down the Oregon coast. We've been to Astoria, Cannon Beach, and this is Tillamook, and now we're gonna drive 2 hours down the road to Seal Rocks Cove. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please click the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment, and we'll get right back to you.